Okay, so just to point out that this is a kind of really good example of a white box. I mean, if anything, it's slightly overly complex because we don't need the kind of collision at the top of this tree, for instance. But it's giving us a kind of spatial awareness of the area we're moving through. It's given us a critical path. I mean, this is Dark Souls 1, so that's the Firelink Shrine. So you've got all the major routes here, and you've got the collision, which is allowing you to traverse it in a very similar fashion to the way that you would be if you were actually playing the game. I mean, the next step here obviously would be, you know, that you might want to add in some of the actual game logic and functionality, but this is a really clear white box, and this is kind of what you're aiming for. I remember the giant rat. Yeah, so this is a complex example, but a good spatial example of what you'd be aiming for in a white box. We're not particularly interested in areas that the player isn't going to interact with. In this case, the player will be interacting with this, but you know, it's the critical path, and it's the sizing and the architecture. So and the flow through this level. Okay, that's what you want to be looking for.